I'm leaving Richfield, Utah. Just went to Walmart and stocked up on groceries because there probably won't be very much for a few days. I'm going to Marysville, Utah, about 30 miles away, and there's going to be rain today. It's going to be tough. I got 21 more miles to go. It's been raining on and off all day. I'll probably be there in about 3 hours. Found this bike path out in the middle of nowhere. On this trail for about 20 miles today. It's really impressive that I'm the only person on it. I think probably because it's raining today. I'm going to Marysville, 10 more miles. This would be a great place to camp, but in 10 more miles there's a campground with a shower, so I'm going to go for that. Well, I'm back on the highway. And the terrain just keeps changing. Leaving Marysville right now. I'm headed towards Paiute State Park on the Paiute Reservoir. Only 10 miles today. I'm just going to take it easy today, and then tomorrow's another long day. This is Circleville, Utah. I'm gonna stop here and get some breakfast. I left camp early because the sheep woke me up and they were so noisy. So I just packed up and left. I'm gonna try to make it to Panguitch by today. I don't know. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. I'm outside of Circleville, Utah, at the home of Butch Cassidy. This was his childhood home. I'm 30 miles away from Bryce Canyon, but I'm going to take a couple days off in Panguitch because my reservation is until Sunday in Bryce. I'm leaving Panguitch right now. I'm headed towards Bryce Canyon National Park. It's Saturday. I don't have a reservation till Sunday night. So I'm gonna camp out in the forest tonight. I'm outside of Bryce Canyon, about 10 miles away. I'm entering Red Canyon.